Hello and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial by Peakboard. In our video today, we want to show you how you can use data from an SAP element in a Peakboard visualization. To do this, I've already started to build a visualization in the background that'll show the orders of a packaging station. First off, these are going to display a date, which I'm going to create under Data and then simply drag and drop onto the screen. Also, two text boxes should indicate the total number of open orders and the number of orders that should already have been sent, meaning that they're urgent. Later, we're going to also add a list of pending orders. Before we can do that though, we will need to integrate our SAP element into the visualization. For that, we're going to click on Add Data Source under Data and then on SAP. Then we enter our general info, such as the name of the data source, username, password, etc., and then enter our query. We recommend using the direct RFC method to query the server, but it's also possible to use the SAP gateway. After I've filled everything out, I can load the columns by clicking on Load Columns, and then look at the data that I've collected from my SAP element by clicking on Preview. I'm again going to just drag and drop it to place it on the screen. Much of this information isn't useful for me, so I'm going to double click on it to edit the table so that I only have the date, AirDat, the customer's name, name 1, and the delivery address, location 1. Since the row AirDat is a date, I'm going to set the format to date.de here, so that I'll get the date displayed in the German format, which is day, month, year. This is also going to be important when we go on to process the data from our list later. Next though, I'm just going to adapt the headings of the individual columns. After that, I'm going to create two variables that are going to show us the open and the urgent delivery orders. In this last step, I'm going to create a data role loaded script which will be executed every time the data in the order list changes. This script will then go through my list row by row and check whether the listed date matches the current date or not. If it does not match up, it signals to us that the order should have already been processed. These kinds of orders are considered urgent, which is why that row should then be colored red using table.colorRow, and the number of urgent orders should be increased by 1. Besides this, every order should be added to the open orders. After I've created this script, I just need to connect my variables to the text boxes, and then I'm done with my visualization. As soon as I start the preview, I can see that 3 of the 7 open orders are urgent. That's it for our video today. If you liked our video, we'd love it if you give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about our video, or if you have any idea of what you'd like us to cover in our next video, just leave us a comment.